Hi, I'm Amiel, and this is my project, my main project. It's the laser light show. And what it does is it deflects the beam of a light, of a laser, off 3 motors containing mirrors and then out through this hole over here and projects it onto a wall. The major problems I had were trying to connect the motor shield to the Arduino, because the website lied and said you only need 2 pins, when in reality you actually need all the pins to be connected. My other major problem was figuring out how to mesh 2 codes, one controlling the potentiometers and one the DC motors, into one code that would link the potentiometers to the motors. Okay, here are some of the main components of my laser light show. This is the power jack over here. It gets a 12-volt power supply, which is this thing over here. And then it goes through these wires to this switch, which turns the whole system on and off. And then that supplies both the Arduino under here with power, and then it also goes to the voltage regulator over here, which turns the 12 volts into 5 volts. And that goes over here to the Adafruit motor shield, which controls these 3 motors. Now the potentiometers are the input. They go to the analog over here on the Arduino, and I can control the speed of the motors and the direction of the motors using the potentiometers. This laser over here is controlled by this switch, turning on and off, and that deflects off the mirrors that are attached to the motors out over here to the hole and then onto the wall. And here are the motors spinning, if you can see it. You could adjust them with the potentiometers, you can stop them, you can spin them in both directions. Here's a video of it working. As you can see, as I turn the potentiometers, it makes different shapes because the motors spin at different speeds and in different directions.